How to harvest dragon fruit in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to harvest dragon fruit in Roblox Grow a Garden, you need to first get the dragon fruit seeds. So go to Sam Shop. Dragon fruit seeds sometimes appear in Sam Shop for 50,000 shekels, and they are rare with about 0.05% chance of showing up. The shop updates every 5 minutes, so check often. You can also buy the seeds directly for 597 Robux. You might find the dragon fruit seeds in Super Seed Pack or as rewards from Daily Quest. You can also go ahead and grow and harvest. So plant the seed in an empty spot in your garden. Dragon fruit trees need a good amount of space. It takes 5 to 7 minutes for the tree to grow and produce fruit. Watering cans or basic sprinklers can speed up growth by 20%. And once the fruit is ready, bright pink cubes with the green leaves, climb the tree and press or hold E to collect it. Each harvest gives you 2 to 5 fruits and the tree will keep producing more over time. So what if you can't harvest? Check if it's mature. Make sure that the fruit is fully grown, and if you can't favorite the fruit using the favorite tool, it's probably not ready. So try leaving the game and coming back sometime fixes the issue. Also plant the bamboo near the tree to help you reach fruits that are high up. And since you can only have 800 crops, consider removing crops you only harvest once like carrots or corn to make room for more dragon fruit trees. And also use the sprinklers. Get basic, advanced, or godly sprinklers to automatically water your trees and increase the chances of getting larger fruits and mutations. Certain weather conditions can cause mutations in your crops, making them more valuable. For example, rainy weather can cause wet mutations, which double the crop's value. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.